This is not a robot. Sure, it can be used to build one, but it can also build something much bigger. Young engineers need the confidence to put theory into practice, the knowledge they develop from observing cause and effect. The experience born of trial and error, and the wisdom gained from hands-on experience. This is not a robot. It's a crash course in science, technology, engineering, and math, connecting students with teammates and their own potential, providing a launchpad for the next generation of homegrown scientists, engineers, and technicians. This is not a robot. It's an invitation to build America's future.